So I've been shooting on 2 cameras today. I've been shooting on the R3 and the R5. A couple of differences between them. I've been using the R3 for majority of my action shots. Obviously it's extremely quick camera. It's got a really cool feature where you can set the autofocus to detect vehicles, so it'll automatically pull the focus to the front or rear of the vehicle depending on where it is. The autofocus on it is incredible. So I've been using the R5 as well. So this camera is still an extremely quick camera, but it has a higher resolution. So I've been using this for my details and static shots where the car's positioned and not moving. Amazing hybrid camera. I really love these R5s. I use 2 of them and they do everything. So I really love this look of this hay barn here with the old Massey Ferguson. So I thought this is quite iconic Kiwi farm kind of style. So it'd be cool to position the car here, do a bunch of different angles. So just shot a nice wide shot here through the gate, kind of framed it up nicely with the shearing shed in the background. Fence down the side, which looks quite cool. Now I'm gonna jump on the 135 f1.8 RF and get a bit of compression in there to just make that car pop a little bit more. Man, this is wicked. So the sheep farmer's just got the sheep rounded up around the back of the car here. It makes quite a dynamic shot. That was crazy. Look at that. Yeah, so just doing a couple of detail shots of this cool roof rack. It's got the fuel canisters on it, some luggage. I really love this focal length and it stays on one of my bodies basically 24/7. Got an old Canon EOS 1N, just a 35mm SLR that I used from time to time. So I just got a little 50mm on it. I'm just gonna shoot some detail shots of the car on some film and yeah, see how they look. We're gonna go pack up our gear and then clean up that thing because it's dirty. But it was wicked to be able to put that thing through its paces alongside our Canon equipment today. Wrap another great day in the office.